Hello and welcome to your IKEA kitchen. This is a tour of your to-be kitchen. I did add some countertops just so you can see what it looks like. And I have some limitations in the program. I couldn't add 2 legs to the end of your island, but I can always add that to the order to ensure you get all the parts you need. So let me just walk you through cabinet by cabinet so you can see what I did and why. So we can start here with the refrigerator cabinet. So your refrigerator is currently 33 inches wide, and we talked about just doing a 30-inch wide cabinet above. We do have to add cover panels to the sides to cover the interior cabinet. So that adds a little bit more thickness, so you actually would end up closer to 31, 32 inches wide after that. So you have a little bit of space between the door frame and your cabinet as well, so you can stick out a little bit past that and it will still fit your fridge. So right to the right of that, there is a 15-inch cabinet, and that's to match this cabinet below. I just stuck with the small, medium, large. I think it's probably the most functional, but you do have options, so if you want to change this out to a different configuration, we can do so. And to the right of the range, we have that carousel cabinet. So inside, you'll see you can turn that around and get to everything easily. Up above, we have the exhaust hood, and then I added a 36-inch wide cabinet to the right. And this is nice because you don't have anything in the way. It's just a nice big open cabinet. I tried to put the corner cabinet in here as another option, but it just didn't fit with the dimensions. So this is kind of your only option with keeping this corner cabinet down here. So we have the farmhouse sink. This is not really a drawer. It looks like one, but it's just a panel that hides the plumbing. So when this opens, it's actually just this cabinet below that opens, and all your plumbing should fit in there just fine. We talked about the space between the corner cabinet and the farmhouse sink cabinet. We can customize a cabinet that's about 5 inches wide. I can't model that in the program, but it can open and you can slide cutting boards and cooking trays or something like that in there. And then we have the dishwasher to the right of the sink. And of course, we have the microwave cabinet. So there's different configurations for this one. You can do the small, medium, large. I stuck with the 2 large cabinet drawers. I wasn't sure what you preferred, so let me know if you want to change that out. So this opens, try to get a better view. There we go. Okay. Oh, and I do need to change these out to knobs at the top. So I'll do that before I send you the link to the plan. And then on the island, it might be hard to see this. There we go. So we have the 2 24-inch cabinets, small, medium, large. And then on the right side, we have the trash cabinet. So this has that small interior drawer on top for trash bags, and then you can still fit the 2 big bins in the bottom, or 1 big bin, depending on the size. And then again, we would be putting 2 legs on the end here. I think you can also get away with just one leg if you wanted to open up some space, so let me know what you want to do with that as well. Okay, so I think that completes this design. I do have another option for the island that I'll show you, so let's see that option. Just a moment. Okay, so this shows you another option for your island. I was thinking that maybe instead of having the legs at the end and having this sort of countertop cantilevering over, that maybe we could move over one cabinet, the trash cabinet, and you could have the bar stool slide under here. Obviously, this doesn't allow you to put seating on this end piece, so it might not be desirable for a couple of reasons, but I just wanted you to see what it looked like. I think I don't know, there's something about the edge of the counter that comes out so far that kind of scares me, just with people running around and possibly hitting the edge. So it's kind of a safety thing for me, but you just also have to be careful. So anyway, that's an option. And then you can also see now what it looks like with the handles on the upper, or the knobs, excuse me, on the upper cabinets instead of the handles. So there you have it. Give you another view of the top. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. And if you could answer those couple of questions I had, I can go ahead and set up your plan package and give you an estimate on the installation. All right, here you go. Thanks.